Welcome back, everybody. This is Dwight from Ambunet Network. Today's featured unit is a 2002 E450 with 101,000 miles. Has a 7.3 liter turbo diesel. Item number 21095. Perfect unit for emergency vehicle use. I'll give you guys a tour of the interior and a shot of the engine bay. So here we have a shot of the unit with all of its compartments open. Plenty of storage. Storage underneath the crew seats. Plenty of storage interior wise. Control panel on the rear heat and AC, all your interior dome light. Huge counter space. More shelving in the back area. Overhead compartment. Storage on this side of the unit. Captain chair. Slide up compartment. This unit's full of space. Sliding door, walk through to the driver's area. This is a lifeline setup. So there you have it, folks. 2002 E450 with 101,000 miles. Item number 21095. It's a 7.3 liter diesel. If you're interested in this unit, you can call us at 908-289-2600. You can ask for me, Dwight. I'll be happy to help you. Check out our website, ambunet.com. Thanks for viewing my video. Any questions, give me a call. Like and share, please.